June 8th, 2019. If you're seeing this, everything's gone. The city's gone. My friends are gone. It's only a matter of time before it's too late for me. I shouldn't have ordered the chow mein. Don't eat the chow mein! Don't eat the chow mein! Ah!
Wait! Rewind that tape.
Say that again, genius.
It's the microscopic parallel universe theory. It's a good theory, Kay. If you microscope down past the atoms and the strings, there might be a parallel world just like ours. And in the atoms of that world, another. And then another, until you reach the kernel world.
Dude, can I have the rest of your chow mein?
It's like a Marioshiki doll.
So your entire theory is based on Russian nesting dolls.
Oh.
No.
I'm gonna eat you when I get bigger.
Wow, this is some gnarly, nasty penicillin growing on this thing.
Who you calling Nazi?
This chow mein is no bueno.
Huh? Oh, yeah. That's a month old. Don't eat that.
A month?
Maybe a couple months. Wow, I'm late.
Whoa. What about the fridge?
Later. I gotta meet Aaron and Nikki at the Harkin.
Dude, if you saw what I saw growing in this box of chow mein, you would cancel those plans. This is gross. Someone is gonna die.
Die over a box of
All right, dude. It's your funeral. I'm out of here.
Dude!
Nope.
Hey, where you going? Can a slime ball get a decent meal in this town? Hey, come back here. I'm hungry. Hey, come back.
Come back!
Hey, look at that. They left the door wide open.
Hey, it's still recording. Hey, and they left the camera on the grass. And the door open. Where's Colin?
Oh no!
No, man!
What do we do?
I don't know. Say something. Put it on YouTube.
Okay, it's June 8th, 2019. We're on our way to rescue Kay. She's been captured or eaten by some green slime.
Dude, say Eaton. It'll sound cooler and we'll get more subscribers.
Right, okay, she's been eaten by a green slime.
Okay, perfect.
Yes, nice. Would you look in the rearview mirror?
I'm coming for you, doughboy! Oh, Steven can't save you now, meat puppets!
I'm not gonna make it.
Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna pull up to this street. All right. I'm gonna slow down. Okay. And then I want you to jump out of the car and then run down the alley. Yeah.
No way, man. I'm not gonna let you die.
Dude, you have to. All right. You have to take the camera, save yourself, and warn everyone. Okay. But you make sure you stay alive.
No. You jump out of the car and I'll stay.
I'm driving. Okay. All right, here we go. All right, on the count of 3. 1.
Come on. Tastes like chicken. I'll be around the block for you, Milkface.
Kendon, Colin left the chow mein in the fridge. Then it mutated into a slime creature. Then it ate Kay. Then it ate our neighborhood. Then it ate Aaron.
Dude, do you have your car? I mean, mine went missing, and I was gonna report it, but all I'm getting are answering machines.
No car, man. The slime ate that too.
Wait. I thought Aaron was with you.
Colin!
Does he have his car?
Do you have your car?
No, I was gonna meet you guys at the theater, but my car went missing.
Where were you? We were supposed to meet at Kay's.
What?
What happened?
What? Is that Kendon? Where are you?
I'm on the corner of 16th and Indiana.
What happened here? What is this?
Kendon, I was trying to tell you, the chow mein that Colin left in the fridge, it mutated into a green slime, and then it ate Kay, and then it ate Aaron.
I knew I should have rinsed that chow mein down the sink when I had the chance.
No, man, I'm serious. Take a look.
Green slime has devoured most of the city. U.S. forces and National Guard have taken swift action. The military has deployed F-16 fighter jets armed with AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles. They appear to have no effect on the creature. The governor is urging everyone to remain calm, find shelter, find cover. Above all, do not panic.
Surprise!
I told you I'd eat you when I got bigger. Good stuff.
June 8th, 2019. If you're seeing this, everything's gone. The city's gone. My friends are gone. It's only a matter of time before it's too late for me. I shouldn't have ordered the chow mein. Don't eat the chow mein! Don't eat the chow mein! Ah!
The world is all mine. Then the galaxy, then the universe, all mine. More, I want more. Nothing can stop me. I'm bigger than all the worlds. Wait.
No!
Oh, man.
No! It can't be! No!
Oh,
How's it possible?
man.
How is it possible?
This is some gnarly, nasty penicillin growing on this thing.
No matter. I'll just eat it all again.
Someone would die. I'm just gonna take care of this right now.
No!
Good day, sir!
Soldier! Is that sarcasm I detect in your voice, soldier?
No, sir!
Are you contradicting me?
No, sir! I mean, yes, sir!
Drop and give me 20!
Yes, sir!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Soldier, what are you doing on the ground?
Sorry, sir!
Do you have something to show me, soldier?
Yes, sir! We found a tiny...
Did I ask you to tell me, soldier?
No, sir!
Drop and give me 20!
Yes, sir!
4, 2, 3. Soldier, what are you doing on the ground?
Sorry, sir.
Are you gonna show me, soldier?
Yes, sir.
Show me.
We found a tiny camera.
Soldier, who's your superior officer?
You are, sir.
That's right! If I hear one more hint of sarcasm out of you, son, I'm gonna report you to your superior officer now! Show me!
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Won't happen again, sir. We found a tiny camera down in the sewer well, sir. We're not sure what its purpose was or where it came from.
It's good work, son.
Thank you, sir. I may have accidentally hit the record button while rigging the camera.
Drop and give me 20!
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, wait! Rewind that tape.